Okay, so now we move to the focus area of centrality analysis, right? So this section actually help us understand which roles matter most in the model Lavinia our study area, right? So it uses two network measures. First one is closeness and second one is betweenness, right? So closeness tells us actually how easy it is to reach other places from a road. Betweenness, it tells us how often a road is used as kind of pass through route between other places, right? So the screen has three parts: closeness panel on the left and interactive map, and the right side betweenness panel, right? So the centrality values are loaded from the prepared GeoJSON files in dashboard, right? We created actually in our planning techniques module, we created a lot of maps related to them, right? So these files were created from like I said before, road and network analysis, and the stored for actually we did for like 5 to 6 scales, but here we add the special, I mean the most significant one, right? First one is 500 walking scale. It shows actually the local pedestrian level network imports, right? Second one is neighborhood scale. It shows kind of a wider daily movement area. Third one is 3000, and it is district scale. Actually it shows the corridor level importance. And the last one, 5000 region scale. It shows which links stay important over larger radius, right? So we can change these scales, right? So as well as you can see here, like previous maps, toggle on off between if you want to see between us. Likewise road label, so we can get nice understanding about kind of a clear precise understanding about each road wise, right? Actually I didn't include all the road labels, the important ones, right? Among between, I mean on both sides of the goal road. So boundaries are there. So first one actually left panel, right? So the current scale, it means actually it shows which distance we are analyzing now. Highest value, you can see lowest, average. So from these four colors actually we can get a quick understanding about whether accessibility is balanced or concentrated in a few core streets, right? So if highest is kind of a much larger than the average, right, it means actually a few street kind of a dominant accessibility in the corridor, right? Here we couldn't see any kind of a large, I mean the difference is kind of a very minimum value, minimum yeah, minimum value. So the chart one, this one is actually a top 5 row segment. So longer bar, each bar is one row segment with the highest closeness score. You can click them likewise, see. So you can, this is actually the Hill dungeon. So you can get, it is realized that you know this is one of the main evidences we got, right? So it's kind of a transport hub, this Lahiwala junction. So see, the Marine Drive starts from here. So likewise, and the closeness cross scale comparison actually, each bar shows the average closeness for all road segments at the scale, right? So this chart actually shows how does overall accessibility change when we zoom out from walking scale to regional scale, right? So if this pattern actually changes a lot between scales, the corridor actually network structure is a kind of a scale sensitive one, but here you can see any kind of a difference, right? Also, like I said before, if I mean considering the UI UX, I mean user friendliness, I have added all the I boxes, right? Eye boxes mean actually you can see the eye icon, so the users can get a nice idea about comprehensive understanding about so what is this graph, what it shows. Likewise, this is actually I target for the non-technical people. Non-technical mean you know we I mean every person does, I mean don't know, they don't know about these urban wise analytics and analysis methods, right? That's why. So the first last one is actually a closeness zone distribution. So it actually shows what percentage of road segments fall in each accessibility level, right? So actually this chart basically shows is most of the network highly accessible or most kind of a peripheral, right? So actually we based on logic mean, actually you can see here we have included all the details. Top third of the value range we took as high, right? Middle third is the medium and the bottom third is the low. That's how actually we categorize them. So as same we did for the betweenness, right? So we have added some key findings there. Actually betweenness also direct to the gain the Dehaul junction, right? The Dehaul junction and the gold road, uh, near gold road surrounding. So here I'm gonna talk about this synthesis later, right? Synthesis is actually the final kind of all-in-one window for what we have found so far through this dashboard, right? So that's it, I guess. Also, then you can click these right on the map. You can say low quiet back street, variable zone, likewise. So if you select a major artery and major corridor, you can see likewise, right? So like I said before, we did the same for the betweeners, right? So yeah, that's it about the centrality analysis part.